The world is being rewired for EVs, for solar, and for data centers, and the metal that powers all three just hit an all time high. But the smart entry, it's not here, it's on the pullback. Let me show you what exactly I'm talking about. Hindalco, India's largest aluminium and copper company, Aditya Birla Group's metal flagship. But what makes it different from a simple commodity play is its global subsidiary Novelis, the world's largest aluminium recycler. Novelis supplies rolled aluminium to automotive, aerospace, and beverage companies across North America and Europe. So EVs, Coke cans, and aircraft panels. That is Novelis. Now the recent numbers, the quarter 3 financial year 2026 results, we can see the revenue is up by 14%, the EBITDA is up by 6%. However, the PAT is down by 45%. The reported PAT looked low only because of a one-time fire disruption at the Novelis Oswego plant in the US. That's a 2,610 crore exceptional charge. Strip that out and the underlying business is growing cleanly. India's business actually hit an all-time high quarterly PAT of 3,581 crore, up by 24% year on year. Now the biggest catalyst in the quarter 4 financial year 2026 results that are coming on May 22nd. Analysts are projecting a PAT of around 3,500 to 4,500 crore. Novelis Oswego plant is restarting as per the quarter 3 earnings call, and the 600 KT Bay Minute Greenfield plant in the US is on track for the upcoming quarters. The aluminium capacity is also expanding to about 1.7 million tons, and the HSBC has given it a buy rating in the bull case of around 1,670. However, there are certain risks involved: the commodity price volatility, China demand sensitivity, and Novelis leverage at 3.78x, which management is working to bring down. But the underlying business momentum is intact. Now, let me look through the technical analysis. You look at the monthly chart, the price went from 100 in 2020 to now it's all time high, and there is a bullish momentum currently in the monthly chart. When you look at the weekly chart, the stock rallied in 430 in mid 2023 all the way to 760 in mid 2024. Then it took a sharp correction in 560 in April 2026. From there, buyers are stepped in hard, and there is a recovery period currently. And when you look at the daily chart, the October low of around 740, the stock moved up to 860 in November, and then there was a 3 month of consolidation period from December to March between 875 to 975, and then April it took a hit of 850. That was a shakeout, the swing low. From there, buyers have stepped in aggressively, and the stock is now not looked back. It is currently trading at its all-time high. Look at the support levels. The first support would be around 975 to 980. That's the top of the 3 month consolidation zone that I talked about. And the next support would be around 975 or 940 to 950, the mid range of the same consolidation zone. So we can see it is the classic case or resistance flipping out to be the support. And now can you look at the daily RSI? It is 63.01. It is bullish momentum, but it is not overbought. However, I will be waiting for a pullback. I will be buying the stock at around uh, the levels of 980. So I will be placing my GTT. It will be triggered at this level. That is around the first support level that I mentioned. And I will be placing my stop loss and target price using OCO. So my stop loss would be around 945. That is in the near the second support level that I have marked on the chart. And my target price would be around 1175. Since the stock is currently trading at its all-time high, there is no clear resistance to be marked. However, this is based on the risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2.5, which is ideal for swing trade, and this is also within the analyst target. So I have placed my stop loss and target price using the OCO, and I've set my buy entry using GTT. Now the plan will execute itself. There are no active emotions involved. However, I have one question for all of you. Would you wait for a pullback entry, or would you also buy in the current breakout levels? Drop your trade plan in the comment section. I advise you to do your own research and trade safely. Thank you.